Hi everyone, in this video I am going to present a topic on bacteria and virus structure. Okay, first of all, bacteria. Bacteria are a single celled organism. It is having a very simple structure without a nucleus or other organelles. Okay, then it has a cell wall. The cell wall is rigid protective layer surrounding the cell membrane of the bacteria. It provides structural support and prevents the cell from bursting. Okay, the composition of cell wall varies for different bacteria. For example, gram-positive bacteria have a thick layer of peptidoglycan, while the gram-negative bacteria have an outer membrane with the lipopolysaccharides. Okay, this cell membrane of a bacteria is very thin and it is very flexible. This is separating the interior organelles of the cells from the external environment. It also controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Okay, usually the cell membrane of bacteria contain lipids, proteins, then transporters and receptors. Okay, the next one is cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance. In that only the cellular components are suspended. Okay, this one also include nucleus, which is a region of DNA that contains the genetic material of the bacteria. Okay, the cytoplasm also contains ribosomes. Ribosomes is mainly responsible for protein synthesis. Flagella. Some bacteria will have flagella, which are long whip-like structure that is used for movement. The number and arrangement of flagella vary for different species. Then pili is there. Pili is a short hair-like structure that will protrude from the surface of the bacteria. This is especially used for attachment to the surface or other cells. Then it also help to transfer the genetic material between the bacteria. Okay, the bacteria is a very simple organism which consists of a cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, flagella and pili. Okay, this basic components will enable them to carry the various range of biological activities from nutrient uptake to motility and communication. Okay, the next concept is virus. Structure of virus. Virus is a microscopic infective agent. It will only replicate the inside living cells. It has a very simple structure. Consists of a genetic material, either there will be DNA or RNA, which will be enclosed inside a protein coat called capsid. Some viruses have an additional outer layer. This is called as envelope. This envelope is mainly made up of lipids and protein. The genetic material may be either DNA or RNA. It can be single-stranded or double-stranded. The genome of the virus contains all the information required for its replication and assembly. Okay, then it also consists of a capsid. Capsid is a protein cell that encloses the genetic material of the virus. The capsid is made up of repeating protein subunits called capsomeres, which assembles into a symmetrical structure around the genetic material. Okay, the shape of the capsid may be helical or isohedral or complex. Okay, then envelope. Some of the viruses will have additional outer layer called an envelope. Okay, this envelope is usually made up of lipid and protein. And it will be studded with a viral glycoprotein that helps the virus to attach to and enter the host cells. And spikes will be there. The spikes are the additional protein structures in some of the virus, okay, which protrude from the capsid or envelope. Okay, these spikes are mainly involved in attaching to the host receptors. The shape and sizes of the spikes differs between the viruses. Okay, then Common bacterial, fungal and viral disease of human. Okay, the bacterial diseases includes cholera, tuberculosis, pneumonia, typhoid, Lyme disease, syphilis, tetanus and staphylococcus infection. Okay, some of the fungal diseases are candidiasis, ringworm, athlete's foot, aspergillosis, cryptococcosis, then histoplasmosis, blastomycosis, Candida auris infectio. Then viral diseases are HIV/AIDS, then influenza, COVID-19, hepatitis B and C, measles, rubella, yellow fever and dengue fever. Okay, this is a structure of a bacteria. The bacteria is having a flagella for motility, then it consists of a cell wall for protective covering, and plasma membrane. In plasma membrane only all the organelles will be suspended. Then cytoplasm is there, then fimbriae is for attachment, then DNA will be there, then ribosome is for protein synthesis. Thank you for listening.